Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode equation that is 3254. Find the power of k size Subarrays 1, and in this we are given an integer array nums of length n and a positive integer k, and the power of an array is defined as sorry, as its maximum element if all of its elements are consecutive and sorted in ascending order and minus one otherwise. And in this we have to find the power of all the subarrays of nums of size k, and we have to return an integer array result of size n minus k plus 1, where results of I is the sorry is the power of nums of I plus k minus 1 and so on. For example, in this we are given the nums array as in the 1 2 3 4 3 to 5. So firstly we'll be picking up size of window of size 3, which is 1 to 3, and we are having this is in sorted in ascending order, so this power will be the maximum value, that is 3. In the next subarray we are having 2 3 4, so these are also again in sorted ascending order, so it's the power of this array is 4 as it's the maximum element. Then in the next subarray we are having 3 4 3, it's not sorted, so it's having minus 1, and so on consecutively. They are all non-sorted, so their power becomes minus 1. Okay, so for this we'll be using a sliding window, so in left is equal to 0 and right is also equal to 0, and in that is equal to the nums dot length. Now yeah, let's have an answer array is equal to new int of size n minus k plus 1. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be having a index to the answers, so which is initially 0, then while right is less than the length of the nums, or let's say n, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be checking is that while right minus left greater than or equal to k, I'll have to increment my left plus plus sorry left plus plus. Then what I'll be checking is that if my right is greater than 0, now I need to calculate basically the check that if the window is far right or not. Then while nums of right minus nums of right minus 1 is not equal to 1, and left is less than right. Okay, so we need to check this. Now what I'll be checking is that if my index is less than the answer dot length, in that case I'll be appending answer of index plus plus will be equal to minus 1, and then I'll be incrementing my left pointer. Okay, else post that what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if right minus left plus 1 is equal to k, so I'll be updating my answer of index plus plus equal to nums of right, and then incrementing the right pointer and then returning the answer. Okay, now let's give it a run, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it was called minus 1. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you for watching.